Sorry guys, I was running out of time on my thing, so I had to start another part to this. If I can remember correctly where I was at, I never understood how a baby doll, to say, a baby doll, could help a grown woman with her depression. Well, I got to looking more into it, and they actually did studies on it, and was shown that it released some kind of hormone in a woman's body that gives her that maternal, that motherly feel that actually made her happier and not so depressed and unhappy. And sorry. And I actually read about some of the ladies who actually conceived after buying these babies and collecting these babies. And so then it got me thinking and wondering, and so then I decided to look into it more, and then I decided to search eBay in search of a baby for me. So I go on eBay and I'm searching, and I come across a baby that I think looks pretty realistic. I wanted something very realistic. If I was going to do this, I was going to do it with something very realistic. So then I ordered her, got her. I honestly could tell you, it has helped me so much. So much. I'm not as depressed every month when I get that negative pregnancy test. I don't crawl into bed. I don't not talk to my fiance. I go in and I pick one of my babies up and I cuddle. And it honestly, wholeheartedly makes me feel 10 times better. I don't know where I would be if I hadn't, sorry, I was trying to get comfortable. If I hadn't started collecting these beautiful pieces of art, really. And this coming from me, one of the skeptics, who, how can a baby doll help a grown woman? How can a baby doll help a woman conceive, so to say? Because there were studies that these women conceived after holding and cuddling these babies for months and months. Whether it's the actual reason they conceived or not, I honestly feel like it had a part. And I honestly feel like these babies are helping me. I'm not the same person I used to be. I'm much happier. Much happier. Yes, I still want to cry every month when I get that negative test. Or when I start my monthly. Because I just think to myself, why do I have a uterus if I can't have a baby? Sorry for those who are not religious, but why did God make me a woman? Why did God give me woman parts if I can't use them the way they are meant to be used? that's how I've always felt. I see all these women who don't even want babies, or who are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 years old, getting pregnant on losing their virginity. Their first time ever having sexual intercourse. I'm not knocking teen moms, don't get me wrong. But coming from somebody who is struggling with fertility problems, those type of things hurt. They really do. Especially working in retail, where you have to walk past the baby section a million times a day, and you have to ring people up with big baby bumps and all their little baby goodies that they're buying, and it's just hard. It's hard on somebody who can't have babies. It really is. But back to the doctor. He wants to do a surgery to help me. He doesn't even know if it's going to help. It's basically just to clear out all of the remains of all of the miscarriages and stuff that, since I didn't get proper care after miscarriage care like most people do. Like most people do. He wants to do a surgery to clean it all out and clean my tubes and check my tubes and make sure everything's working. And I can tell you everything's not working, but I'm not a doctor. But I wholeheartedly, if you or somebody that you know are having problems like this, any kind of problems, any kind of depression, any kind of anything, these babies work. They just give you that comfort, that motherly comfort. They just make you feel, they give you the feeling of something you'll never be able to get any other way. They make you feel like a mother, even though I'm not one of those people who don't understand these are dolls. I know they're dolls. I do. But they give me a sense of being able to feel motherhood. In a way that I'll probably never ever even get to experience it any other way than with these dolls. And it's sad, it really is. For somebody who wants babies as bad as I do. But yes, like I was saying, sorry, I'm getting too emotional. My time is running out. I rambled on long enough. Just, if you're in doubt, if you have bad depression, think about buying a reborn. I honestly highly recommend it. But I have to go because I'm out of time, so thanks for watching.